How to enable two-factor authentication on Facebook. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Facebook and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you are in here, tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner and then click on this gear icon. It will land you on the settings and privacy. Now head over to Account Center. Scroll down and move into Password and Security. Well, the option of two-factor authentication will be visible to you. Click on it and then click on your Facebook account. You will need to enter the password of your Facebook account. Once you have entered, tap on Continue. It will land you on this interface. You will get to see three different methods. One is Authentication app, the other is text message, and the next one is security keys. From here you can select any specific method. Let's say you want to choose the text message method. All you want to do is click on it. Once you have selected, you will receive one verification code in your number. Once you enter that code, the two-factor authentication will be enabled. And whenever you log into your account, you will need to enter the code that you receive on your phone number. And you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can enable the two-factor authentication on Facebook. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching until the end.